Hello everyone, so this is day 2 of our trip to the Finnish wilderness. I hope you guys enjoyed the first part. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description and also in the cards above. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the lake and how we camped there, how our tent looked like. Much more about the details of how you camp and the things you need when you camp. So let's check it out and don't forget to subscribe. So that's the view from our tent lobby. I can't speak too loud because it's already 9 in the evening and there is a lot of people camping with kids, and we have a couple of elder neighbors that were super nice and help us with the air mattress. So this is the lobby. This is the inside of our tent. You can see my sleeping bag, Louisa's sleeping bag, the doggy bed. This tent fits up to 5 people. She says sometimes she camps with like 2 adults and 4 kids and they can still fit. So just so you have an idea of how big this is. Okay, so it's about almost 9 in the evening and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like outside our tent. Bom dia. Fala bom dia pra mim? Uhum. Ixi, olha pra cá. Morning world. This is our camping site, our neighbors, the car, the tent. Luisa is there putting some stuff together. This is the road we came in. And take a look at these woods. This is just amazing. Look at that. This is so awesome. I so wish I could live like right here in the middle of the lake. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a look of this place, and soon we're leaving to go back home, and I guess I see you soon.